Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really easy air fryer snack. It is cauliflower croquetas. Now, croquetas are typically made with, mashed potato and cheese or any kind of meat. I'm going to be showing you the cauliflower version because this is a low carb recipe. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some riced cauliflower. I just took some cauliflower florets and threw them into a food processor until it got into this really fine consistency. And we're gonna throw it into a larger bowl. To the cauliflower, I'm gonna add 1 egg, some pork panko. This is the Italian seasoning pork panko. Usually you would add flour, but since this is a low carb, keto friendly recipe, the pork panko is a really great alternative. I'm also gonna add some freshly chopped Italian parsley. Some mild cheddar cheese. This is freshly and finely grated cheddar cheese. I'm gonna add about 1 cup to start. Some garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Now I've put some gloves on just for the ease of mixing, and we're gonna mix all these ingredients together. I'm gonna add in some more cheese. There isn't really a right or wrong amount. It's really just depending on your preference, but you wanna make sure that when you're mixing the ingredients that they really stick together so you can play it off of that. Now that our ingredients are mixed, we're gonna take this mixture and we're gonna form it into a ball. Depending on how much you're making, you might need to add another egg. So again, it should be able to stick together like this. You wanna take the ball and you wanna put it directly into your air fryer tray. Now, I don't wanna use a liner for this because I wanna make sure that the air is gonna get all around the croqueta while it's in the air fryer. If you haven't already liked this video, make sure to hit that like button down below and also subscribe to my channel. Let's put our croquetas in the air fryer. It's gonna air fry at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 13 minutes. And here are our delicious cheese croquetas. Super easy, right in the air fryer. This is a really quick snack that is low carb. Take a look at all this cheese. Cheers, guys, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.